Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an phibaro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Dr. Konrad Gesangma ulapin na ba ke Sarkar Meghalaya kan shuti ha kasngi ningkong ya baro ki jaka puli kentup ki skul berki college kenang bagi samla puli berki pajba ki be eat football kenyo ban pet ya ke jingele kai final World Cup hapdeng ke Argentina berka Spain. Haba penbenai kini Menteri Rangba ulo ang bagani ke rai kalong hadin ke jingi opriang ke bakrau ya ke CM Fan Park bat namar ba ke football ke jingele kai ke bagi pajba Meghalaya ki itam. Ngadon ke khubor ke basngau tenat khamtam ki be eat football na lor ba ke Spain ba ke Argentina kla poisha ka final bat hadin ke jingi opriang ke ba itenat ya ke CM Fan Park ngalarai bala shai ke sngining kong kanlong kasngi shuti ya baro ki jaka puli kentup ki skul bat ki college ulaong ula benrap bah Meghalaya ka football country tan ka jingil akai hinrei kadai ru ka benta jong ka jing im jong ki patba.
Hi everyone, I have some good news, especially for our football lovers. Apart from the fact that Spain and Argentina have made it to the finals, and also the wonderful response we got for the CM Fan Park, I would like to inform all of you that I have decided that tomorrow, Monday, will be a holiday for all educational institutions, including schools and colleges. As we know that football is a passion and is a way of life in our state. And in order to allow our youngsters to truly enjoy it, we have come to this decision. Enjoy the finals and wish you all the very best. Thank you.